Annoyed with the DirectDraw Legacy Library DLL error causing your game to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's fix the link between your engine and your system architecture. This DLL file is the primary library for DirectDraw. It provides the legacy 2D graphics API that allowed classic games and media players to access the video card memory directly for high-speed 2D rendering and video. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. The DirectDraw Legacy Library DLL is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X-Input, or X-Audio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the DirectDraw Legacy library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Please use caution. Replacing the DirectDraw Legacy Library DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to the DirectDraw Legacy Library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix DirectX Legacy. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.